Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Laura Evans. I am a third-year teacher and I'm teaching second grade this year. I just moved to a new city, new school. So I'm currently setting up my classroom. I am on day 2 of setting up my classroom. And I'm at a little bit of a loss because the first day I really didn't get anything done. If you haven't gone and watched day 1, go watch day 1. I'll link it down below for you guys. But yeah, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do today is try to be more focused. So I'm gonna make a little list. I have my planner here. So I'm gonna make like a to-do list and then I'm gonna try to get those things done first. So I'm gonna write that down and then I will show you guys what I come up with. Alright, so here is what I came up with. First things first, I need to cover my bulletin boards. I probably won't even do that first actually, but I'm looking forward to it. I need to sort through all the old stuff and like trash things I don't want to keep. Then I need to set up my desks and tables. I need to clean all the cubbies because I haven't wiped those down yet. I need to set up my carts. And the last thing I need to do is unload stuff from my car. So I'm probably gonna do that one slowly throughout the day because it's so hot. That's a to-do list. If I can get all that done, great. If I can get more done, even better. But I'm not gonna pressure myself to get it all done because I don't want to stress myself out. So let's get to it. So what I'm doing right now is I have this box and I'm gonna make a, like, I'm definitely getting rid of, like, I'm not keeping this box, and like I'll just donate it if someone else wants it, and then everything else I'm just gonna throw in this trash can, and then stuff I'm not sure about I'm gonna set aside like behind the camera. And then another teacher's here right now, so I'll ask her if I have to keep it or what. So let's get into it. All right, I'm betting you guys are sick of me watching me sort through all these things. So I'm gonna do a little bit more off camera and then I'll show you guys what I ended up doing after. So they left this big book stand and I really like it. And what I'm doing is I'm going through this big stack of books and I'm just pulling out all the like non-fiction books because I'll use those, but I don't think I'll use fiction books, so I don't know. Ugh, this is so much. If you are a teacher leaving your classroom, please clean it out or at least organize it before you leave. Okay, so I finished sorting through all the big books. And I have a little bit more stuff to go through like with manipulatives, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I did. So these few big books wouldn't fit inside, so I'm leaving them on the top and I'll probably just put up the display or put them next to it. And then down here I sorted them by like nonfiction, living, animals, and then nonfiction, other. Then I found a few math books that I wanted to keep, and then some like literary skills, so I found like rhyming, text structure, things like that, fiction with animals, and then fiction other. So that's how it's all organized, and then those are all the extra books. So now I need to finish going through those bins. That's mine, but there's books on top of it and I need to go through that as well, so I'm gonna get that done now. Okay, update time. So I went through all the stuff that was there. Anything I didn't want, I piled onto this cart. That has to go to the book room, I think. But yeah, that's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna check that off my checklist and then I'll let y'all know what I'm doing next. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do next is I think I'm gonna set up my little, like I have a 4 cubby cube thing. I'm gonna set that up and then I'm gonna set up all my little like cart, like drawer cart things, just so that those are set up and I can kind of start moving them around and move all the furniture. So I'm gonna do that. And then after that, I'll probably start setting up the actual like furniture and where I want to put it.
Music keeps me singing.
right, so I took a little break from setting up my carts because I have like 2 more carts to set up. But I moved this table from back here to this front board. I don't know, I just like it better. And I'm thinking that'll be like a center area, so I could put like anchor charts or something there. Not really sure. But yeah, I like it there, and there's like enough room for the kids to still line up when the benches are pushed in. So I might have to lower it. I'm not sure if that'll be too tall for 2nd graders. I have to see them. So all right, so I moved my table back there and the easel back there, and I like that so much better. And then I moved my desk like this, so I have 3, 3, 3. Anyways, I have 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 5, so that's enough for 17. I'm not sure if I'll have more than that, so I'm holding on to those desks up front just in case. This is how another teacher at my in my grade level has it, and I like it. I also think I want to get a bigger rug, but those are so expensive, so if anyone wants to donate one, that'd be great. All right, it's a few hours later. I switched out the tables on the computers to desks, so they're much skinnier and don't take up as much room. So that's good. I feel like I have a lot more room back here now, and like, I like that. So what I'm doing now is I just went out to my car and got a bunch of stuff, and I set it out in front of my door. So I'm going to start moving it in now, and it's a lot of like book bins and supplies. So I guess I'll film that a little. I don't know. Day 1 I didn't really film any of me moving stuff in, so here you go. Alright, hey guys, so it's almost 3:30 now, and I want to beat the traffic because like I said, I have to drive an hour or so. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys kind of an overview of the room because I feel like I got a lot done today, and it just looks better. So here we go. So I laid out this carpet that was left here. These carpets of this size are pretty expensive, so I probably won't get a new one, but like I said, if you want to donate one or GoFundMe, that'd be great. Put my desks out into groups of 3, and then this one's a group of 5. I switched my tables out to, or my big table out to 3 computer desks, and then I put 1 up here, so like if I have a friend who needs to be by themselves, they can sit there. Teacher table back there, I kind of rotated it around a bit. Haven't touched the library yet and this is a mess. So I did not get everything done. As you can see, I did not do my bulletin boards, just didn't have time for it. Probably do that in the next video, so look out for that. I did not clean my cubbies like I was supposed to, so I'll probably do that next time as well. I'm gonna go ahead and go. So this is end of day 2 classroom setup, thank goodness. And yeah, go ahead and hit that like button if you have been enjoying these classroom setup videos, so I know to continue to make them. Don't forget to subscribe, so if I do continue to make these, which I probably will, you don't miss the next video. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for classroom setup day 3. All right guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.